Okay, good morning mga sibatero. It's already 2:58 in the morning. So, nandito tayo ngayon sa Butuan City. And mag-short ride tayo papuntang People's Park, Cotabato City. Dahil nandoon yung the grid ng CBO Endurance Challenge version 2. So it's a total 850 plus kilometers, 9,558. So check natin yan hanggang sa pagbalik dito sa Butuan City, yung buong rides natin. Okay, so yun, tara, samahan nyo ako. Okay, good morning. So, good evening pa rin kasi 11:54 pa lang ng gabi. So, dito tayo sa may People's Palace. Yan. So, parang ito yata ang City Hall ng Cotabato. Okay, so yun, nakatipid tayo ng overnight. Nakatipid tayo ng 400 o 500 plus kasi nagtanong-tanong tayo dito sa mga ibang tropa natin na nag-overnight sa hotel. Yung parang ganun ang presyo, 500, 400 plus. So yun, nakatipid tayo. So okay, no? So dito tayo natulog. Kanina dyan tayo sa upuan pero nangawit ako. Dito na tayo sa lapag. Palace. So iba nating mga kasamahan na rider na hindi rin nag-hotel. So ito sila. Yan. Kanya-kanyang pwesto. Hallway, may mga upuan. So diyan na lang kami na tiyaga matulog. So ganyan yung pagtitipid. So yun, may tumutugtog pa yung ating combo doon. Okay, kape-kape muna tayo. Kape at saka boy bawang almusal natin. 120 ang isang kape, boy bawang. Hindi ko alam kung magkano to. Okay, so ipinila na natin yung motor natin kasi mamayang alauna na madaling araw may orientation pa. Then ang take off nito is 02:30 umaga. Okay, parating na yung iba.
Bali sa first checkpoint natin is sa Iligan City.
Even when you feel low, you can still go. Even when you feel slow, you can still go. Even when there's no hope, you can still go. I never answer to no, man, I still go. Go, 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 yo, go, go, go. Hustle hard, hustle every single day. I'll be making moves till I'm buried in my grave. To the system, I don't wanna be a slave. I've been doing shit my way, on the highway. And in the driveway is a nice range. Cause I grind through the climb, I ain't fight pain. You never hear me, bitch, nah, I don't complain. Just gotta flip the switch and you can go and obtain anything you want, anything you need. Your mind's got the key ingredient, it's belief. They deceive with the negativity, but I just slide right by that energy. Even when you feel low, you can still go. Even when you feel slow, you can still go. Even when there's no hope, you can still go. I never answer to no, man, I still go. Go, 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 go.
So first photo ops.
Go, 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 go. You got a mind, but even that could change. You can flip the gray matter like some batter in your brain. That's why they say, fake it till you make it A. And if you play that game, then you just might make a change. Rearrange all the bad to okay. Take the worst thoughts saying, turn them to a game. Take the best thoughts saying, put them on display. On repeat in your brain till you're feeling no more pain. Never slow yourself down, you can do some more. Push past all the pain and you find a door. Open it up and finally explore everything that you thought you could never do before. And even when you feel low, you can still go. Even when you feel slow, you can still go. Even when there's no hope, you can still go. I never answer to no, man, I still go. Go, 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 go. Feel low, you can still go. Even when you feel slow, you can still go. Even when there's no hope, you can still go. I never answer to no.
Dito na tayo sa first checkpoint. Pacific Mart.
Go.
Okay, tapos nang ma-vulcanize yung ating gulong. So already 9:45. Nandito tayo sa may coastal road ng CDO. Ang laki ng pako. Sige, tuloy na ulit tayo. Times 2 na tong bilis na to.
Let's go. Yeah. I'm like an addict, do I gotta have it. I ain't even playing, got a really bad habit. If it moves, gotta grab it, fuse like a magnet. Lose, won't have it till I'm doomed in a casket. I ain't playing, got a weird mind. If you work 8 hours, I'ma work 9. If the shoot tastes sour, you should taste mine. I'ma stay in power for a long time. Get up, nah, I ain't a quitter. Toss me the ball, I'm a really big hitter. Big picture, I'm a straight killer. Rising the song to the highest bidder. Got juice, got gas, I'ma move fast. New shoes, new tracks, like who's that? I'm new, come back better than last. Yeah, it's a new me, never gonna look back. I'm never gonna look back. Cause damn, I was built to last. You move slow and I move fast, and that's facts. Only I can make a change. Slowly take a step today. I will never be the same. Cause that's what it takes. pieces is a form of art. I'm never gonna look back, cause damn, I was built to last. You move slow and I move fast, and that's facts. Only I can make a change, slowly take a step today. I will never be the same, cause that's what it takes.
Bukidnon Clothing tayo sa checkpoint number 3.
Ice in my veins, I've been driving this train. Years in this lane, there's no stopping this flame. Cause I came to the game and I changed it to play how I like, rearranged it to my own domain. Yeah, I got what it takes, made lots of mistakes, taking shots, skipping breaks, feeling lost, feeling great, popping off, singing straight, never stopped, never changed. All the squad here to play, and I've got something to say, yeah. I work hard each and every day, I get lost in the words I say. I don't push pause, no I push play. I won't stop till I make a change. I withdraw on the things I make, I turn flaws into flawless traits. I build tall, never capped in space. I won't stop till I hear him say, oh, oh, la, 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 la.
Konti pa lang, hindi pa kayo nag-30.
Maraming naiwan mo.
Hindi pa kayo nag-30 na nagka-finish.
6 AM and I'm up again. I got tired eyes, need a cup of blend. That's right.
Good morning, Cotabato. So yun na nga, dito na tayo nagpalipas ng gabi. Tapos nagising na lang ako, naglilinis yung mga maintenance ng City Hall, no. So napakabait nung pamahalaan na to, kasi pinatutulog niya yung ibang tao dito na walang matulugan. Grabe, solid. Ito yung ating odometer. Yan. Kita ba? So yan, simula nung umalis tayo hanggang sa natapos natin, 10,855. So from here dito sa Cotabato City, babalik tayo ng Butuan City. Napakalinis ng motor natin.